Heck yeah. We're off to Griffin Keep here. There's no turning back. Crap. Alright, so let's explore this wine cellar here. Not much here. There's a pressure plate. Hey, open this wall. Whoa, who's that? Apparently he's from the Brooklyn or something. Let's just kick his ass. He drops his sword. Let's just keep that.
Drop your guard, I promise you quit this.
We're doing well so far.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Okay. Let's go kick his ass. Whoa,
Drop
there's
your
two of
guard,
them.
I promise you quit death.
I have no idea why they explode when you kill them.
Do
but
not tremble. I have
it works.
no pity for cowards.
Very cool. And well, there's a chest. With a key in it. And a spear. There's a healing potion. And that's it. I like the little thumbs down there. No more. As you can see here, we've been attacking, so we have a little bit of experience. Weapon level experience, and a tiny little bit of magic experience. Just from casting those spells.
Do not tremble.
Whoa.
I have no pity for cowards.
There's another one. Let's open this door. What is that? Keeps calling me Parsifal. Thanks. Oh, that's kind of sad. Whoa. Okay. It's the only thing in that room.
Drop your guard, I promise a quick death. Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Yikes. This guy's hit kind of hard. Yeah. It is telling me about weapons. Let's see where else we go here. Let's check out down here. There's the stairs up. Let's fill in the map. I know there's nothing here. See, it's just empty. Yeah, it's kind of cheating, but whatever. Is that a boulder? Whoa! Ow! Watch out for the killer boulders.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
And another key.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Went out of magic. That just closes the door. I guess not.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Regenerates 3d10 hit points at a healing altar. Well, we haven't found one of those yet, but we will.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Okay, I think I'm gonna save. What is that noise? Okay, I'm gonna save. Save on this one. Okay, careful. There might be something around here. We can just go up. Good old pressure plate puzzles. Could need more. How about this? Aha!
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards. Show some spirit. Let it be a true fight.
Alright, well, I'm running out of time, so I think I'm going to stop here. And when we continue, we'll explore more of Griffin Keep.